Hi guys, Dmitry Bonder there. Thousands of at-home traders, many perched on a Reddit boards, are pouring into a slew of heavily shorted and fundamentally hated stocks in an effort to squeeze money out of the shorts bets placed by Wall Street elite. If you meet the opportunity to buy GME stocks or AMC like I did, I have a good news for you. There are several new potential targets that you can find on Reddit's WallStreetBets forum and in other famous groups. But you may ask good question, how to choose which stocks can become a new GME or AMC stock? And the answer is quite simple and complicated at the same time. You have to choose companies that have a pretty high short interest ratio, so these stocks might end up being potential targets for hedge funds, because they are trading at relatively low compared to where they had been trading previously. But also you have to look for new hype stocks that have a lot of attention from trading community and retail investors. In this case, that's possible that you can find a new GME or AMC. So taking into account those two factors, let's try to find a new meme stocks together to invest in. And guys, this is not financial advice, you cannot lose all of your money. This video is for entertainment purpose only and for my personal investment plan. Let's go. Okay, so on the 10th place, Workhorse Group. They have 40 million shorted stocks. And a Workhorse Group is ranked 10th on the list of 10 new stocks Reddit WallStreetBets is buying. The stock has offered investors a return exceeding 82% over the course of the past 12 months. The company makes and sells electric power delivery and utility vehicles, so the stock has been soaring in recent weeks amid interest around a new patent filing, buzz around government incentives for clean energy firms, and increased mention of the firm in Reddit forums like WallStreetBets. And on May 10, Workhorse Group announced that it was entering into agreement with EAVX, a leading provider of commercial vehicle body solutions, to develop a new electric power delivery vehicle that would expand the product line of the firm and enable it to move into new consumer markets. At the end of the first quarter of 2021, 16 hedge funds held stakes in this company for about $97 billion. So I think I will invest small portion of my money specifically allocated for meme stocks in this company. Okay, on the 9th place, Virgin Galactic Holding. You know this company, it's a pretty famous and old company. And Virgin Galactic Holdings is a spaceflight company that aims to be the first commercial spacecraft carrier catering to tourists. The company was founded by British billionaire Richard Branson in 2004. It's placed 9th on the list of 10 new stocks on Reddit's WallStreetBets, and thousands of people from a WallStreetBets group buying this stock. And here we go. On the 8th place we have UWM Holdings Corporation with a 14 million shorted stocks. And this company is a wholesale mortgage lender. It's ranked 8th on the list of 10 new stocks Reddit's WallStreetBets is buying. The stock has returned more than 15% to investors over the course of the past 3 months. And this stock is an interesting case study in meme stocks universe, as its popularity on Reddit forums results in a stock rally even as many investment advisors don't have positive rankings on the company or have downgraded it recently. So on April 21, investment advisory Barclays Capital, pretty big and famous firm, initiated coverage of this firm and with an overweight rating on the back of solid earnings outlook for the firm and the possibility of expanding market share. And on the 7th place we have a Corsair Gaming company. It's pretty famous among gaming community, of course. So Corsair Gaming is a computer hardware company based in California, and it primarily makes and sells gaming and streaming products in North America, South America, Asia, Europe and Australia. Some of the products sold by the firm include keyboards, mice, headsets and gaming controllers, among others. I know this firm pretty well. It's placed 7th on the list of 10 new stocks in the WallStreetBets group The share price of the firm has registered double-digit growth in the past few weeks as the stocks gain traction on Reddit. And Chicago-based investment firm Citadel Investment Group, yes, the same Citadel that is shorting AMC stocks, they have about 400,000 shares worth more than $14 million in shorts against this company. And on the sixth place we have a Skillz company. And Skillz Inc. is ranked 6th on our list of 10 new stocks Reddit's WallStreetBets is buying, and the stock has returned more than 100% investors in the past year. Very impressive, guys. The firm operates a popular mobile gaming platform that hosts several esports tournaments and acts as a social hub for many gamers. The stock has been gaining traction on Reddit forums, especially on WallStreetBets, and in recent weeks it's also viewed favorably by analysts as sports betting and gaming on mobile increases across the world. This is a pretty hot area, and a lot of analysts pay their attention to this industry. On the fifth place, Clean Energy Fuels Corporation. And Clean Energy Fuels Corporation is a renewable energy company. It's placed fifth in our list. The company's shares have offered investors returns exceeding 400% in past year. Oh my god. And the firm operates in US and Canada and markets renewable natural gas and other clean solutions for vehicle transport. It also develops and runs fueling stations all over US and Canada. On June 22nd, Clean Energy Fuels stock soared about 5-10% after the firm announced that it had contributed about $50 million to a joint venture with energy firm BP. I think and I wait they could sign several other big and fat agreements with traditional oil companies, and it will give additional pressure on hedge funds that are short in this stock. And on the first place we have Tesla. I have a pretty big chunk of Tesla stocks in my portfolio, so I'm very interested when hedge funds will be shorting this company, but retail community will be pushing this stock up. Tesla also has an interest in the clean energy businesses and cryptocurrencies. The stock is one of the most popular ones on the WallStreetBets forum on Reddit, and this is perhaps one reason why the share price of the firm hasn't crashed more than other crypto-related growth stocks in recent weeks. So the stock has returned more than 250% to investors in the past 12 months. And on June 21st, Tesla owner Elon Musk said on the social media that Starlink, the satellite internet project of the company, would not be going public anytime soon, but that he would aim to give Tesla shareholders access to the IPO when it did take place. So at the end of the first quarter of 2021, 62 hedge funds held stakes worth about 10 billion in Tesla stocks, down from 68 in the preceding quarter worth 12 billion. I think it's one of the most interesting companies to watch if you want to play with the meme stocks. On the third place in my list is a Context Logic. What is a Context Logic? It's a mobile e-commerce company. It has operations in North America, South America and Europe, and among other places. And the company operates the popular Wish platform, which acts as a link between users and merchants. In addition to connecting users with a merchant, the firm also provides logistical services to businesses. And the company shares have returned more than 58% to investors in the past 4 weeks, just 4 weeks. And on the second position is a PaySafe Limited. The latest short interest is about 36 million shorted stocks. And this stock is ranked on the second position among 10 new meme stocks that WallStreetBets community is buying. And this firm is very famous for offering e-cash solutions and payment methods by which online dealings can be paid within a cash upon finalization. And on May 26, PaySafe Limited entered into a deal with Repay Holdings that will enable merchants of Repay to allow cash payments to close 60,000 retail partners locations of PaySafe. So at the end of the first quarter 2021, 41 hedges funds held stakes worth about 1.3 billion stocks of this company. And on the first place in my list is a Glover Health Investments. What is a Glover Health Investment? It's a healthcare insurance provider that operates through a software platform, a kind of mix of insurance and technology. It's placed first on the list of new stocks Reddit's WallStreetBets community is buying. Why? First of all, the company's shares have returned more than 67% to investors in the past 3 months, just 3 months. But the second reason why this share is so popular, because it's backed by the prominent venture capitalist. And the stock has jumped in recent weeks, and SEC filings reveal that the company is presently in a short squeeze, very short squeeze. And on June 21st, Glover Health Investments stock surged 8% after the firm announced that it would be expanding into more than 100 new markets, more than doubling its presence globally, with a focus on a healthcare for underserved communities. And I think this company has a very, very high chance to repeat the story of AMC and GME stocks, because they have a very high pressure, they have several prominent investors on the board, and it seems like it's very well supported by Reddit community. Guys, this is my list of meme stocks that I want to invest in a coming maybe several weeks. I will keep you updated. I will post updates on a Patreon page, so if you want to get updates, please support me on Patreon and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.